friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. Now friends, today I'm going to show you the Tron TRX cryptocurrencies live price prediction. So before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more this type of videos. Let's click it the Tron and let's see the live price prediction of TRX here. Oh my goodness, what's going on? What's going on? Congratulations to TRX holders. You are watching now TRX live price prediction, and what's a good change in TRX holders? 460% goes up. You can now see here, and now price of TRX are here 0.062638 are the price of today. You are watching now the live price prediction of 22 March 2021 and last hour price prediction you are watching now. The highest change in the live price prediction here are 0.062638, which are now. The rate of now is the highest rate. So TRX are going up, as you can see. Again, I'm showing you on the chart. You can see here at this time going slowly going up, at this time going very fastly up, as you can see now on the graphs, and again they are fast down here and they are going up down slowly. Wow, slowly grows up and slowly growing. And at this time what amazing, yeah, oh my god. At this time they are going up with a very high speed, and again they fast, and now they are growing up, as you can see now they again growing up, and the high price at this time of TRX now. So that is the live price prediction of Cardano price prediction you are watching now. Thanks you so much for watching this video. Click the subscribe button now for more videos.